you to Civil Services interview.
Thank you.
Would you introduce us about yourself and your education background?
I am Zeenat Khatun. I have done Bachelor's of Arts from History, Public Administration and Geography. And I am from Andhra Pradesh, and this was my second attempt.
How was the interview?
My interview went decent. Now let's just hope that I make it into this.
What sort of questions were being asked by the board?
They asked about my DAF one, and they asked about some of the opinion questions, and also about women.
What questions were there on the women?
They asked me about the rural areas and how women have been in the rural areas and the patriarchy kind of stuff, and they asked me what would I be doing in that, and also about the anthropology, which was my optional. They asked me that also.
Did the board ask any questions about anthropology also?
Yes.
What questions were there on anthropology?
They asked me about one anthropologist, Margaret Mead, and they asked me about the difference between sociology and anthropology.
Okay. What motivated you to pursue civil service as a career?
I always wanted to be someone who is helpful for the society, and I thought that civil service will provide that opportunity to me. And also, I was really interested by the diversity this job provides, and also that I will be having a very responsible position in the hierarchy. So for that.
What's your educational background? Would you enlighten us about that?
I have done arts, Bachelor of Arts in graduation.
Was this your second attempt?
Yes, this was my second attempt.
What was your experience in the previous attempt?
In the first attempt, I could not clear my prelims. It was 2023, and this time I am hopefully here.
What mistakes did you committed in your previous attempt?
In the last prelims attempt, I was very anxious and stressful. That we should not do. And at the same time, was not very well prepared with my PYQs of the UPSC prelims. So that I would suggest that redoing your PYQs before going to exam is the key.
As a humanities student, do humanities students face problems in CSAT and maths section? And if so, what are some of the strategies they should adopt to overcome those problems?
When I was writing, did not face a lot of problems with respect to CSAT, because in my 12th I have done my intermediate in mathematics itself. But for humanities, one is that we have to practice a lot, practice comprehension, and practice the basic maths which is there, and also the reasoning part, which is easier for humanities students. We can do that.
What was your approach for the mains? Given the fact that it's a 5 days back-to-back examination, what was your strategy for that?
We have to be mentally prepared for the exhausting experience. One. Second is that we have to be very much prepared with our short notes, because there is very less time to revise. So doing revisions in that short time is very important. Second is this, and then we have to be very physically prepared, and for example, our health wise and the mental strength, that is important.
How did you keep yourself physically and emotionally fit, given the competitive nature of this examination?
We have to eat healthy food, especially before a month of the exam. Always be healthy and always think positively. Having a positive attitude is very important.
What's your take on mental health and UPSC preparation?
Mental health, yes, UPSC preparation, if it is becoming for a longer number of years, then it is mentally exhaustive, obviously. But yes, we can pursue our hobby. For example, whatever, if someone likes playing badminton or someone likes writing, then they can go to that. And I think that is the stress buster if you are pursuing your hobby and talking to your family, friends and all.
What are your hobbies and how did you pursue them?
My hobby is cooking. I love to cook when I am stressed, and I love to write also.
What do you write?
I write about whatever ideas I feel and whatever I observe in the society. For example, I have written about patriarchy, and the related things. I will love to write those.
What was the mode of your preparation for this examination? Did you go for coaching, mentorship, or self-study?
I did self-study for most of the times, but for test series, I have taken coaching from some of the institutes, like for the test series.
Do you think test series does help in bringing accuracy and also improvising your chances of making it to the interview?
Test series is just for your practice, but yes, because practicing the things before doing that, it is very important. Yes, for me test series have helped me a lot, both in prelims and mains, and also in interview. Like if you are practicing mocks, if you are practicing speaking and all, then yes, we can do that.
What are some of the key challenges that you have faced in the process of this entire preparation?
One is that, sir, we get demotivated a lot in between. So that was a challenge. We always have to keep ourselves enthusiastic and interested in the preparation. And the second challenge was that failures, coping up with failures is very important. When I was not clearing my first prelim, then I was obviously demotivated, and the fear has crept in. But we always have to be motivated and always think that if we are capable of doing that, we can do that.
What motivated you once you were down with the fact that you didn't make it in the main in the first attempt? And then how did you cope it with that stress and the kind of the effect that the result brings?
I was with my family at that time, so my family has helped me a lot in coping up with that emotional stress which I had. Then later on, I motivated myself that that was my first attempt itself, I can try more, and that's why I again got up and again I prepared for the next year exam.
Do you speak Hindi?
Yes, I speak Hindi.
How was the night before interview? और अब आपको कैसा फील हो रहा है?
इंटरव्यू से पहले उतना वो स्ट्रेस नहीं था मुझे, ऑब्वियसली, क्योंकि पहले तो मैं यहाँ पे अकेले रहा करती थी, तब आई वाज रफ स्ट्रेसफुल. बट जब मेरे पेरेंट्स आ गए, मेरी फैमिली आ गई, देन दे वर हेल्पिंग मी कि थोड़ा काम रहना चाहिए. एंड आई वाज रिवाइजिंग, मैं बहुत रिवाइज़ कर रही थी अपना जो भी मैंने डाफ वाला नोट्स बनाया था या करंट अफेयर्स वाला, वो चीज़ें आप जब डाफ रिविजन पे ज़्यादा फोकस करते हो तो आप ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस नहीं होते हो.
The representation of the Muslim women in UPSC is fundamentally very less. आपकी सजेशन क्या रहेगी उनके लिए?
आई वुड सजेस्ट दैट ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पढ़िए, स्कूल जाया करें, एंड हायर एजुकेशन करनी बहुत ज़रूरी है. फॉर एग्जांपल आपको ग्रेजुएशन, बहुत सारी लड़कियां ग्रेजुएशन भी नहीं कर पाती है, एंड वो उनकी शादियां हो जाती है. सो ग्रेजुएशन करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, एंड उसके बाद ही आपको हमेशा हैव अ बिग ड्रीम, सपने इज़ बहुत वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. देखना वो चाहे सच हो या नहीं हो, बट आपको हमेशा ऊपर रह के सोचना है, क्योंकि लड़कियां बीइंग अ वुमेन ऑलवेज आपको डिपेंडेंट नहीं रहना है कभी भी, फिनेंशियली एंड ऑल्सो कोई भी टाइप से सोशली. आपको मोस्टली रहना चाहिए कि आप इंडिपेंडेंट रहो. इंडिपेंडेंट रहने के लिए एक अच्छी पोजीशन इन द एम्प्लॉयमेंट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो इफ़ यू आर एक्चुअली थिंकिंग कि आपको सच में कुछ करना है, एंड आपको यू आर ऑल्सो कंपैशनेट और एम्पैथेटिक टुवर्ड्स सोसाइटी, तो देन आप सिविल सर्विसेज इज़ द राइट प्लेटफॉर्म.
कैसी रही आपकी जर्नी फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग अप टू दिस स्टेज?
अप्स एंड डाउन्स, ऑब्वियसली. हमेशा रोज़ी डेज नहीं होते थे, एंड ऑब्वियसली ऐसे दिन होते थे जब वी फील लाइक गिविंग अप. बट yes, it's a mixed experience, obviously, for everybody.
Who inspired you to prepare for the civil service? Whom do you idolize in the entire process?
My parents and my principal, ma'am, they have in my graduation, they have told me that if I am academically stronger, then I can prepare for this exam. And I am very grateful for everybody that at least I have started this preparation. Whether I make it or not, that doesn't matter, but at least I have aspired to it, and I have learnt a lot in this process. So learning is important.